Menteri Rangba jong kejala Mikhalaya ukon sangma haka step jong arpoi terik unai jong arhajar arpulai ula pelaj pajba ya ka poster jong ka phlim Rapture kabalashna da wei naki nongshna phlim bala pau bha jong kejala Dominic Megam sangma habai kren bit kinong tho khobor Menteri Rangba ula itu ba Dominic udai wei na kita ki nongshna phlim ki bala pau bha jong kejala bat hakane ka kanti ka bamanta Dominic ulayato ba ka phlim ka jungu ka bal ai kerteng Rapture kala Shah jied ban leje shimanda ha ka Film Festival ha Switzerland nakaleng Menteri Rangba ula pon pau ka jing snokman ba kisamla jong kejala kilami syakmat bat pau habun kilyang khamtam habede bat ka jing shina phlim ulai man simru yo Dominic bat yakiwei ba kinangye treshitam bat ka sorkaru kandon lang bat ki khamtam habede banchna yak cinema hakeleng district jong kajala.
Mr. Dominic is one of the directors who is quite well known, and his movie has been selected for one film festival in Switzerland, where we hope that he will win in his category. So he had come to my office to share this news and also to request me to unveil the poster for the movie, and I wish him the very best. And whatever support we can give from our side, we'll obviously support. And he is, of course, a source of encouragement for other filmmakers. That if people like Dominic can, be in the international arena by sheer hard work and commitment, I'm sure that other filmmakers also can. And I really encourage other filmmakers also to follow his footsteps. And at the same time, we are also working, as you're aware, towards having some kind of policy where I have announced in my budget that we'll be giving funds to local filmmakers so that they can start making movies. They're requiring equipments. So we're looking into all those aspects. At the same time, we are also working towards setting up cinema halls in different parts of the state. In every district, we expect that we should be able to put up a cinema hall in every district by the end of the term. And this we feel will really help the local filmmakers. And apart from that, we are also making it a point that the film fair, the movie awards, and the film festival, will be something that we'll try to continue so that our people can be exposed and learn more about filmmaking, because we feel that the filmmaking industry has a huge potential in our state, and we have not been able to really capture it.
So your stand exactly.